Alright, let's do another video. Maybe these will get better at some point, maybe not, we'll see. But today we're going to go over the spin that around for you. The Craftsman Gunmetal Chrome 150-piece SAE metric set. It's got a 120 tooth ratchet with 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drives. Let's take a look at this. So we've got some Allen keys, a nice set of open end box end wrenches. That's a really pretty color. I kind of like it. Bit of an oil sheen on it, but not bad, not bad. Got some deep well sockets here. Look like 6-point. Oh, there it is. Yeah, nice 6-point sockets and bit of a point in there, and it looks to be about a 12-point. See what's under here. Ta-da! Oh, hey, nice. Oh, nice assortment of standard shallow sockets. 3 different ratchets. Oh yeah. Nice and heavy. Good heft to it. Use it as a hammer. Nice universal joint here. It's also got that same plating on it. Not bad. A few different extensions. What is this? Oh, that's for the screwdriver. Oh, that's clearly an afterthought. That is like feather light. Yep. Couple of spark plug sockets. Not that, you know, I'll need those. I mean, what diesel engine uses spark plugs? All right. Put this back. Yeah, that's a nice set. Not bad for 180 bucks. Nice comfortable handle. Good clasp. Well, I think that'll be it for today. Have fun.